Hi folks, my name is Mateusz. Without a doubt, the world is very variable. In order to keep up with these variations, variables in Ergonode can be very helpful. Thanks to variables, you can, for instance, easily use technical specification of a product in its description. Furthermore, variables can aid you in mass creation of such descriptions in hundreds of products simultaneously, each utilizing its unique set of data. First, let's define variables in two sentences. In Ergonode, variables call up the value of a particular attribute and make use of it in another. In this fashion, you can create a text field out of the varying values of multiple attributes. At this point, you can utilize variables in text area type attributes, including with the reach text function enabled. For now, we can pull the values from the text attributes only, but our developers are tirelessly working to expand the scope to another attribute types. Let's see how this works in practice. Let us start with finding the description of a bicycle's drivetrain on the product card and reworking it to make use of the values of attribute designed to describing technical specifications. Let's supply the name of the rear derailleur. In order to call up the value of a particular attribute, we need to make use of the hash sign. Once we type it in, we need to also type the name of the attribute we wish to make use of it, derailleur in this case. Now we can only see the name of the attribute, but once we click on the eye icon, its value also becomes visible. Let's also add the name of the front derailleur as well as the number of speeds, again making use of the hash sign. Finally, let's copy the whole description. It will be useful in the next example. In this example, we will add the description created a moment ago to all the bicycles in the catalog. In the catalog view, let's filter out just the bikes by their template. Next, let's find the 𝗃𝗿𝗴𝗯𝗹𝗲 description attribute and move it over to the right side. Now paste the copied description into the appropriate field corresponding to the first bike. The variable have shown up and we can see their values using the eye icon. Grab the green marker and drag it down to fill the remaining descriptions. Now, each bike has its own unique 𝗃𝗿𝗴𝗯𝗹𝗲 description. If this task is more complex, you can use the mass actions to update thousands of products at once. Variables are handled by them as well. Another example of the usefulness of variables can be the preparation of the metadata for SEO. For instance, you can create a meta description based on the key attributes. Now, something completely different. Managing a size chart based on the configuration of a dining table is a child's play. Once you have a chart set up, it's easy to copy it into another product, where variables will keep the information relevant. At this moment, there is nothing more left for me to say, apart from inviting you to check out our other tutorials and other materials, as well as to wish you an enjoyable experience with our variables. #variables, #goodbye. Cheers!